Hardwater. Today we're introducing our brand new and improved lint-free steel wool polishing pads. Now what makes these new polishing pads new and improved is the new backing material that's now being applied to all of our polishing pads. Now this new backing material is going to provide 4 distinct advantages during the polishing process that is really going to help to improve the polishing quality, as well as it's going to help to make the pads last longer. So the very first advantage for this new backing material is that it's going to be lint-free. And that really helps during polishing, because when you're applying the pad to your backing plate, which has a hook and loop or a Velcro backing, one thing that you really don't want is to get all that lint, this white material, stuck inside of the hook and loop fibers. So these new lint-free polishing pads aren't going to leave that white material in your backing plates, and that's going to really help you speed up the process, so that when you're trading out, switching out different polishing pads, it's going to make it a lot quicker and more efficient for you to do that, and there's going to be less time required in cleaning up these backing plates. The second big advantage for the backing material is that you're going to get a really good adhesion of the pad onto the backing plate. Now, having a good adhesion onto the backing plate is really going to help, because when you're polishing the worst hard water stains, sometimes you can apply some pressure to the glass, and you really don't want your pad slipping around onto the backer plate, because when it's slipping around, you lose your polishing quality. So that's the second big advantage for using the new lint-free polishing pads. The third advantage for these new pads is that it's really going to resist the amount of tearing and shear forces that occur when you're doing the actual polishing. Because as you know, when you put the pad on here and you're polishing some really difficult hard water stains, you can really wear those pads out pretty quickly if they're slipping around a lot. But the new lint-free polishing pads really are able to resist those shearing and tearing forces that occur during the polishing process, and that's going to make these pads last a lot longer. Now the fourth advantage for the new backing material is that upon startup, when you first put the tool onto the glass, you're not going to get that overspray of water going all over the place, because these pads do not carry as much water upon startup, so you don't get the overspray. So overall, the brand new and improved steel wool polishing pads have a new backing material. They offer a lot of advantages, and this new backing material is now being applied to all of our polishing pads, including the superfine 4-aught steel wool pads, the superfine 4-aught bronze polishing pads, as well as our 7-inch pads that go on to the larger backing plates like this. So if you're looking for a more aggressive pad that's going to be able to polish off the hardest of the hard water stains on glass, then reach for the brand new and improved lint-free steel wool polishing pads available at Mr. Hardwater Cleaning Supplies.